Welcome to my channel, welcome to another vlog. I'm on my way to a store in Dubai to buy a pouch for my camera. I searched for the case in many stores but couldn't find it. Today I was able to get it from the store. So it's time for us to talk about 6 routine maintenance car owners should never avoid. Engine oil serves as a lubricant, keeping engine parts from grinding each other, and also cools the engine by absorbing the heat. Because of the wear, cars are more likely to consume engine oil as they age. So it's recommended to check the engine oil level every 4 weeks and top up if needed. As time passes, engine oil becomes thin and won't be able to lubricate the engine. Engine oil prevents rust and corrosion, removes impurities, keeps the engine cool, and reduces friction. So you need to change the engine oil. The common benchmark is 5000 kilometers, but it's recommended to check your owner's manual to get more details. Air filters clean the air before the engine takes in. Function of the air filter is to prevent the dust and other contaminants from entering the engine. So what happens if you don't replace the air filter? It will result in poor engine performance, less fuel efficiency and power. It is recommended to replace the engine filter every 15,000 kilometers. Transmission fluid lubricates and protects all the parts inside the transmission system. In automatic transmission, it also acts as a coolant. The color of the fluid is red. So when to change the transmission fluid? It is recommended to change between 75,000 kilometers and 100,000 kilometers depending on your driving conditions. It is important to check the coolant level because when the car is operated for a longer period, coolant will resist boiling and continue to circulate as liquid, which helps in effectively cooling the engine. It's liquid in all temperature levels. Even if it's freezing weather conditions, the coolant will still be a liquid. Therefore, it can circulate through the system to cool the engine and prevent the damage. Primary ingredients in coolant are ethylene glycol and propylene glycol, which helps to remain in liquid in all temperatures. Check the coolant levels every 2 weeks and do the top up if needed. Inspect the hoses and belts in the engine bay. These hoses direct coolant flow to ensure that engine doesn't overheat. If a hose has crack or bulges, then you have to replace it. Also check the timing belt. If the belt shows signs of wear, then replace it immediately as it is critical to the operation of the engine. Replacing spark plug is one of the most important service maintenance that has to be done to your car to keep the engine running strong. If you don't replace the spark plug, it will result in slow acceleration, poor fuel efficiency, engine misfire, and even difficulties in starting the vehicle. It is recommended to replace the spark plug every 100,000 kilometers. So today I talked about 6 routine maintenance car owners should never avoid. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel, like the video. See you again next time.